Hi students, today we will solve some problems on differentiability. The first one is f of x equal to x when x less than 1, 2 minus x when x less in between 1 and 2, minus 2 plus 3x minus x square when x greater than 2. Now coming to the differentiability, so what is differentiability? When it exists, when left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative. So we all know that f dash of a equals to what? Limit x tends to a f of x minus f of a by x minus a. When this limit exists finitely, then it is differentiable and the differential value is equal to f dash of a. Now coming to the left hand derivative at x equal to 1, so it is nothing but f dash of 1 minus. Simply limit x tends to 1 minus is what? X is less than 1. F of x is x minus f of a, which means f of 1. So here it is x equal to 1. We will take 2 minus x. When x equal to 1, it is 2 minus 1, that is 1, divided by x minus a is what? 1. Now x minus 1 gets cancelled, then the result is 1. Now coming to the right hand derivative, f dash of 1 plus equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, which means x is greater than 1. When x is greater than 1, the function is 2 minus x minus, and at x equal to 1, the function is 2 minus x. 2 minus 1 is what? 1, divided by x minus a is what? 1. Now it is 2 minus 1, 1. So 1 minus x by x minus 1. Simply it is nothing but minus 1. Then, so what is left hand derivative? Plus 1. What is right hand derivative? Minus 1. Then clearly left derivative is not equal to right derivative, since the function is not differentiable at x equal to 1. So f of x is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Why? Because left derivative is not equal to right derivative. Now check whether it is differentiable at x equal to 2 or not. At x equal to 2, firstly left derivative f dash of 2 minus. Now see what is f dash of 2 minus. So limit x tends to 2 minus, which means x is less than 2. Clearly here when x is less than 2, the function is 2 minus x, and x equal to 2 also the function is 2 minus x. Now if you substitute x equal to 2 here, it is 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, now here from the given formula, what is f of x? It is 2 minus x minus f of 2 is what? 0 divided by x minus 2. Now 2 minus x by x minus 2 is what? Minus 1. Now coming to the right hand derivative, f dash of 2 plus, that is limit x tends to 2 plus. As x value approaches to 2 plus, which means x greater than 2, the function is minus 2 plus 3x minus x square. Now minus 2 plus 3x minus x square minus f of a, which means f of 2. So what is f of 2? When you substitute 2 here, minus 2 plus 6 minus 4. So minus 2 plus 6 plus 4 minus 4, 0. So f of 2 is what? 0 divided by x minus 2. Okay, now see minus 2 plus 3x minus x square. How can we write? This is a quadratic expression. We can write it as x tends to 2 plus, which is also known as minus of x minus 2 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. Now x minus 2 gets cancelled. When you substitute 2 here, 2 minus 1, 1, and it is clearly minus 1. See, the left derivative is minus 1 and right derivative is minus 1. So clearly left derivative is equal to right derivative since the function is differentiable at x equal to 2. So f of x is differentiable at x equal to 2. Now we will solve the same problem from another method, that is, now write the function as it is f of x equals to x when x less than 1, 2 minus x, 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, and minus 2 plus 3x minus x square when x is greater than 2. Now see, so what is f dash of x from this given data? Now derivative of x is 1 and x is less than 1, and the derivative of 2 minus x, the constant derivative is 0 and minus x derivative is 1, so that is minus 1 when x is less in between 1 and 2. And coming to the quadratic expression, the derivative of minus 2 is 0, 3x is 3 minus 2x. Okay, x greater than 2. Now check the left derivative at x equal to 1. So which means f dash of 1 minus is what? 1, and f dash of 1 plus is what? Minus 1, clearly, which means that f dash of 1 minus left derivative is not equal to the right derivative, clearly. And see, what is f dash of 2 minus, which is 1, and f dash of 2 plus, which means here f dash of 2 plus, which means it is greater 2. So 3 minus of, now substitute 2 here. Why? Because it is x greater than 2. 2 into 2, 3 minus 4, it is what? Minus 1. Clearly left derivative is equal to right derivative at x equal to 2. So at x equal to 1. So from this also, so it is not differentiable at x equal to 1 and it is differentiable at x equal to 2. Now coming to the graphical approach for this problem. So see, this is a very important approach. Now for the same function, so we have three functions over here. The first one is, so f of x can be treated as y. So y equal to x, that is a straight line which always passes through 1 in the region x less than 1. And coming to the 2 minus x, it is also a straight line, linear equation, which is also lies in between 1 and 2. And minus 2 plus 3x minus x square, it is a curve, second degree, in the region x greater than 2. So by using this given data, I draw a graph. Now see the graph. So we have two values only. One is x less than 1 and lies in between 1 and 2, and x greater than 2. So it is in the completely, it is in the positive region. So I take positive x. So only positive x, no need to take negative, and y, so y dash 0, so 1, 2. So the clearly the function is in the regions x less than 1, 1 and 2, and x greater than 2. Now see, in the region x less than 1, clearly the function is x, which means y equal to x, which always passes through origin. So at x equal to 1, it is 1. So the graph should be like this for x equal to 1. It is 1. At x equal to 1, it is 1. Now coming to the second function in the region 1 and 2, if we substitute 1 here, which means 2 minus 1 is 1. If you substitute 2 here, which means 2 minus 2, 0. So at 1 it is 1 and at 2 it is 0. clearly the second value is like this. And coming to the third function, now see the third function, completely it is a curve and it is in the region x greater than 2. So if you substitute 2 here, it is 0 and greater than 2. Now it is, if it is 3, clearly 3 into 3, 9 minus 9 minus 2. So it is decreasing like this. So this should be like this. Now observe this graph. Here clearly at x equal to 1 we have a sharp corner. Please see this, at x equal to 1 we have a sharp corner, but the function is continuous. No change here, but if the function is continuous here, but it is a sharp corner, that's why coming to the differentiability rule, at the sharp corners the function is not differentiable. Clearly the function is not differentiable at x equal to 1. Why? Because at 1 the graph having a sharp corner, so it is not differentiable at x equal to 1, because at x equal to 1 graph having sharp corner. Now at 2, so no problem with this. So clearly the function is continuous, so it is differentiable at x equal to 2. No problem with this at x equal to 2, so that it is differentiable at x equal to 2. Why? Because there is no sharp corners. Okay, these are the purging of this problem. Now coming to the second problem. So let f of x equal to sin 2x when it is less in between 0 to 30, ax plus b when it is less in between 30 to 1, the values of a and b such that f and f dash are continuous or. Clearly, see here the function is continuous and the derivative also continuous. Now see, coming to the derivative of this function straight away. So what is f dash of x? So the derivative for sin 2x is cos 2x into 2x is what? 2. So 2 cos 2x 0 less than x less than or equal to pi by 6, and ax plus b, the derivative of ax plus b is what? A, pi by 6 less than x less than or equal to 1. Now clearly he has given that f dash of x are also continuous. From this, limit x tends to pi by 6 minus 2 cos 2x is equal to limit x tends to pi by 6 plus a. Why? Because if it is continuous, the limits are also equal. Left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit for this function, which means the derivative of this derivative. Here also we can treat it as function. So left limit is equal to the right limit. And substitute pi by 6 here, 30 cos 60. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to a. So which means a equal to 1. And has given that function also continuous. Now left limit is equal to right limit, so limit x tends to pi by 6 minus sin 2x is equal to limit x tends to pi by 6 plus ax plus b. Now substitute pi by 6 here. Sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2 equal to a into pi by 6 plus b. Here a is what? 1. Now substitute a 1 here, then b equal to root 3 by 2 minus pi by 6. Now coming to the third problem. f maps R to R be a differentiable function such that f of x plus 2y equal to f of x plus f of 2y plus 4xy for all x comma y belongs to R, then f dash of 1 is equals to. Now what is the given condition? That is f of x plus 2y equal to f of x plus f of 2y plus 4xy, and clearly for all x comma y belongs to R. Now take x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. See what happens. F of 0, 0 plus 0, 0 equal to f of 0 plus f of 0 plus 4 into 0. That's what? 0. Now 2 into f of 0 equal to f of 0, which means that f of 0 equal to 0 straight away. Now from this function, now send f of x to the left hand side. F of x plus 2y minus f of x equals to what? F of 2y plus 4xy. Now dividing both sides with 2y, see f of x plus 2y minus f of x divided by 2y, which is equal to, now f of 2y by 2y plus, now 4xy divided by 2y, which is 2x. Now take 2y, for suppose 2y equal to h. Consider 2y equal to h. Now taking limit on both sides, see what happens. Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h equal to limit h tends to 0, f of h by h plus 2x. So it is an independent value, so no need to take limit here. Okay, anyway, no problem. So limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h is what? Straight away it is f dash of x. That is equal to limit h tends to 0. So f of h, now I take minus 0 here divided by h minus 0 plus 2x. Now f dash of x equal to limit h tends to 0, f of h minus, simply it is nothing but f of 0. Why? Because we already got f of 0 is what? 0 divided by h minus 0 plus 2x. Now see it carefully. Limit h tends to 0, f of h minus f of 0 by h minus 0. What it is? F dash of 0. So f dash of x equal to, it is known as f dash of 0. Why? Because it is in the form of limit x tends to a. In place of a we have 0, in place of x we have h. So it is nothing but f dash of a, which means that f dash of, in place of a we have 0 plus 2x. And finally, what we need to find? F dash of 1. So substitute x equal to 1 here. So f dash of 1 equal to f dash of 0 plus 2 into 1, that is 2.